Tinext ako ni Kathy Gonzaga. Sabi niya, Kuya, nandito rin ako sa Japan, magkita tayo. So eto, nagkita kami ni Kathy Gonzaga. Yan si Alex, oh. Ay, ganda. Nice to see you, ate.
4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5, 5.
Nakatulog sa Pinas, gumising sa Osaka.
Happy birthday!
Birthday trip. Libre ni How How. Ha? Ha?
Uy, may gift ako sa'yo.
Yes. I love you, Wow.
Love you.
Hi! Hi, Peanut. So, 20 ngayon at bukas ang birthday ko. Yun lang, guys. Swiss Hotel, Osaka. Thank you very much. Shirley. Yan, si Shirley, the best yan. Ay, sus! Wow! Welcome back to your home in Osaka. Thank you, Ma'am Shirley. Always the best. Oh, you say thank you po.
Thank you.
How? Wait lang. Sa panga. What do you want?
You want a little bit of ketchup? Okay.
How come everyone knows you? On the airplane, everyone, the airport, they all say, Hi, Peanut. What will you say?
Nothing.
No thanks?
Nothing.
Nothing. You say thank you po for saying hi. Remember when you're walking on the airport? Hi, Peanut! You're so cute, Peanut! Are you cute?
He's eating pa.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! How?
Tapos na gift ni How How sa akin pero hindi ko pa napopost. share ko pagka uwi. Anong wish mo sa akin ngayong birthday ko?
Ang wish ko sa'yo ay palagi kang healthy, happy.
Grabe yung saya mo.
Bagong gising kasi. Basta palagi kang happy and healthy.
Yun lang, and that's all I need. Yun ang wish ko. Kayo naman, pasahan na lang tayo ng wish. Then na happy and healthy yung family natin. That's all I ask.
Love you.
I love you. Uy naman, ang dalaw... Aba, fashionista mama. Fashionista Peanut. Wow, look at mama, so beautiful. And look at you. Are you Peanut now or Princess Sofia? May bag pa, oh.
You show your bag. What's inside your bag? You show them.
It's a toy.
I think
One.
only one toy. It's a toy.
Ganda ng misis ko. Hi. Peanut?
Look at the back. No, I'm Sophia.
Oh, Princess Sofia. I love you. You're the best thing that happened to Mama and Papa. I love you. Ayos. Thank you, Swiss Hotel family. Thank you very much. Swiss Hotel sa Osaka, as always. Yeah, dear Louise, Jessie, and Peanut, welcome back to your home in Osaka. Wishing you the best. Let us know. Thank you, Shirley. Thank you.
H.
H.
Happy birthday, Papa. 4. 5.
Kain. Hi, Mama. Birthday lunch, tapos may birthday dinner pa mamaya. Hi, Peanut. Ay, sus.
Parang gano'n na siya sa
Ready na siya eh, no? Ready na siya. Takam siya eh. Are you hungry, Peanut?
Kasama ko pa yung mami ko.
Yun, no? Birthday lunch ko ngayon. Meron akong birthday dinner, tapos balik diet na bukas. Sitting hot? Okay na siya. Yung bata, mahilig sa teppanyaki. Ito na. Ang lambot. Diretsong lunok na. Hindi na kailangan dumaan sa ngipin. Effort na ang ngumuya. Isa na lang yung ngipin ko talaga eh. Itong pinakalikod. Oh, ang lambot to. Si marbling. Ang lambot. Isa pa. Happy birthday to me. Isa pa. What do you want? Can you say it again? What do you want, my love?
Ice cream for this.
You want ice cream for dessert? I will give you ice cream, but you have to say, I love you, Papa.
I love you, Papa. With all my heart.
Okay, you get ice cream. Ay, ako kayong dalawa, alam na alam niyo ako. Jesus, bakit nakalabas yung dila nitong bata? Pag may pagkain. Pag may masarap na pagkain, nakalabas yung dila. Oh, Mama and Papa will kiss. Mwah. What about? Ay, sus! Hey! Me also, me also. Me. Hey! Nangasap! Hey! Marunong namang asar to. Kiss.
Wait, let's wipe your mouth kasi
Oh,
may
kiss.
lipstick. With my lipstick.
Ako din nag-kiss. Bumigay din ako agad-agad. Walking in Osaka with the best... Hi, Kuni! The best man to know in Osaka. Osaka equals Kuni. And thank you very much, Kuni.
No problem, my friends.
I saw the moon.
Happy birthday to me. Yan lang ang kailangan sa buhay. Maraming palamuti ang buhay. Marami kung ano-ano pa. Maraming ingay ang buhay. Pero ito lang kailangan ko sa buhay. Yan lang.
Me, I can go back to
All I need, all I want. Ang mga angels ni Peanut, si Ajin. Hi, Ajin! Peanut at Ate MM. Thank you sa inyong dalawa, mga angels namin. Ate Gina, wala ka dito.
Hanggang maging 80 years old.
Yes, Peanut, they will be with you till you give us an apo. Oo. When Ate MM is 90 years old, she will take care of my apo. Also, Ajin, she will take care of my apo. I will get them also a caregiver. So may caregiver yung nag-aalaga sa apo. Dahil hindi ko kayo papakawalan dalawa. Ay, sus!
It's
Wait,
Ruby.
sus!
Why you not yapping at me?
We're not laughing. They're laughing at Papa. Wow! Is that your power, Peanut? Are you using your power? Go like this.
Mommy doesn't have power anymore.
Okay. Happy birthday to me. Pag-inggit, pikit. Thank you, Kuni. Thank you, Kuni-san. Anak, Ella, kamusta? Grabe to.
I know, okay, what they're going to say. Let the song angel, they're gonna let me in
Wow!
Where's Olaf?
melted.
Melted na.
One more time.
Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Papa!
You make me happy.
Oh.
Itong batang to, basta may pasta and chicken. Oh, it's crunchy.
It's not crunchy.
Walking with how. With how. Turo ka na lang kung ano gusto mo, ha?
McLaren.
Huwag mo ituro yan. Iba naman ituro mo.
McLaren na lang. Ayun o.
Lamborghini.
Mas McLaren gusto.
Ito ba sinabi?
Orange.
Kayo kasi.
Orange color.
Excuse me. Or we're gonna go na, but you have to kiss Papa first. You have to kiss Papa first. You have to kiss Papa. You have to tell them, how much do you love Papa? Uy! Again. Again. Last. I love you.
I don't my heart.
Lakad. Ang akala ni Peanut, si ako nagtutulak sa kanya. Hindi niya alam, si Ate Ajin niya. How much do you love me?
So much.
So much.
With
And
all my heart.
itong bagong kapayatan ko, kamusta?
Same pa rin. Mahal pa rin kita.
Boom! Yun na, kumain. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi guys. Hi.
Sobrang dami food.
Meron pa dito.
Hi mama. Hi nang nang. Thank you Kuni. Napakasarap na suggestion ni Kuni, oh.
Pascal said A.
Wow. Sorry. Nadala lang ako, sorry.
Masarap.
Katsu. Yung katsu.
Yabo. Thank you.
Pero medyo, yung Kuya Luni nyo, diet na ng konti. Kailangan ko i-maintain yung 22-pack ko.
22 packs?
Ikaw, buhay mo, di kita kinokontra ha. Kung kinokontra rin yung mga sinasabi ko, kahit sa ibang bansa tayo, kakalampagin ko yung dibdib mo.
Ang kakalam ko, 8 lang yung pinakamarami.
8 sa baguhan. Ang abs ko, abot tuhod. Nakikialam ko.
Why you cannot eat marshmallow?
Because it's a bit sticky.
Why is it so and very sticky?
Wow, may bag siya. Can I see, what's inside your bag? What's inside your bag? Ba't may bag to? Wow, you have a toy inside your bag? Gandang bata nito. Ang ganda ng misis ko. Gwapo ng mister niya. Ang ganda ng anak niya. Ang ganda ng ate MM. Yes! At ang lunch namin ngayon ay burger steak. Burger steak tayo ngayon. Pwede naman sa Manila to. Isa sa mga favorite ni Peanut. Ulala! Ay, sus naman. Hey! What you doing? Hey! You have your own ice cream.
Let's put it here.
Okay. Why did you eat my ice cream?
Just a little.
Okay. Hey, kiss Papa. Love you. Ay, parehong-pareho sila ng mama niya. Basta pagkain ni Papa, yun ang pinakain. Hey! I love you.
May taga-subo ka na.
Yummy, yummy. You're little. You're little mama? I thought you were little papa. You ate so much ice cream na.
No, I want to eat ice cream.
That's a lot. Subo, see? Dapat matanggap ko at one point.
I said bye to the ice cream.
Yes, you did, my love. Dapat matatanggap ko at one point. Hindi ko na magagawa to. Na siya'y magdadalaga. At syempre, ako'y tatanda na rin. Hindi natin. Oo, kaya dapat maging healthy.
What is that?
Oh, it's a TV.
Then what happened?
I don't know. But we're going back na so you can
I
rest.
do it.
What?
Okay.
No, it's just a TV. Ay, nako. Wala, ganun talaga. Kailangan tanggapin. It's not scary. That's why you hold Papa's hand. I'll protect you. Come on, let's go. Shopping.
Isang pair long.
Ano binili mo?
Shoes lang.
Attorney? Oh, yes. Iba-vlog ko to. Ako pinunta ko dito, tubig lang.
Me too.
Mas masarap inumin ng tubig na bigay kaysa sa bili.
Tsaka malamig.
Kumpay. Style lang namin. Nauuhaw lang kami. I-return din namin bukas. Yung sapatos. Nara Deer Park. Ay sis! Thank you very much. Omakase Tours. Ma'am Glenda, thank you very much sa service. Kung may kailangan kayong puntahan dito sa Japan. Omakase Tours. Miss Glenda, thank you very much. Ilalagay ko yung account ng Omakase Tours. Tinext ako ni Kathy Gonzaga. Sabi niya, Kuya, nandito rin ako sa Japan. Magkita tayo. So eto, nagkita kami ni Kathy Gonzaga. Yan si Alex, oh. Ay, ganda. Nice to see you, ate. Anong owl to? Gising sa gabi to. Anong owl to? I love you. Papa will do anything and everything for you.
No, it's Papa Tarzan.
Papa Tarzan? And you are?
Jane.
You're Jane.
Jane loves sing.
Jane loves singing? You're sleepy pa, no?
Tagal niya bumangon.
I ate your hair.
Jane is kalbo na.
Jane is kalbo na? I love you. Eat okay, eat it properly na. Ngayon naman, churros ang binabanatan niya. Ay, sus. Wow.
Talaga ako, ma.
Influencer, ang daming followers. Pero umuupo dito.
Iloko, ma.
Maganda nga, medyo kulang-kulang lang. Ayan. Pasok.
Pasok eh.
Hi, Paul. Yeah. Peanut, there's gonna be a bit of fire, okay? Just little fire. Wala nang gamit dito ang ngipin. Diretsong lunok na to. Nasaan ako? Peanut, I have a question for you. How come every time we're walking and you're inside your stroller, how come you always want Papa to walk beside you?
Because I love you so much.
I love you. Kiss Papa. Kiss Papa.
Mwah.
Hey, kiss me.
Kiss the chin.
Oh, kiss the chin?
Kiss the
cheek, okay.
the cheek.
Okay.
Oh dear.
Love you.